If you want to make a faceless stick figure POV animation channel, then this video is for you. And if you only give me this 2 to 3 minutes, I guarantee you that you will also be able to create these videos completely for free. And try not to skip any part. First thing, there is a doc in the description. So open that doc, which contains all the prompts that you need. Many people think they have enough ideas, but trust me, they don't. So for ideas, just go to the prompt doc, copy the first idea prompt, open GPT and paste that prompt into GPT and hit enter. This prompt will give you ideas that are proven, and also this prompt will help you to never run out of ideas. Now, after idea, the thing which many people completely ignore is script. But have you ever wondered why videos which don't have good visuals still work? And if you also think video works because of visuals, you are completely wrong. The script is the thing which make or break the video. So for the script, I have two techniques, and trust me, the second one you will love the most. The first one is go to the prompt doc again and copy the script prompt and paste the script prompt into GPT. Add also the idea in it and also the length, and then hit enter. It will make you a script. The second technique video is in the prompt doc, so watch it from that. After script, we have to make audio, and we will do that for free as well. But before doing that, you have to do this to your script. Go to the prompt doc and copy the expression prompt and add your script in it and then hit enter. It will help to evoke emotions nicely. Now after that, copy the full script, paste it into this site, and click on synthesize. After some time, you will have the full audio. In this site, you can change pitch, loudness, and accent as well, and the site name is Speech Synthesis. Now it's time for visuals. Go to the prompt doc again and copy the master image and video prompt. Then copy the whole script and paste it in the prompt and then hit enter. It will make only 5 professional prompts, image and videos as well. Now you can go to Nano Banana and paste that prompt there, and you will have the images as well. You can also animate these images using Google Flow. Freemium sites to make images are Leonardo, Whisk, Ideogram, Rivi, Grok, Meta, and for videos, Grok, Whisk, Meta, Google Flow, Veer, etc. Now everything is done, but without a thumbnail, your video will not be clicked. So for that, either hire a thumbnail designer from the link in prompt doc or watch this video to make thumbnail on your own.